In INST 5C, model and promote diversity, cultural understanding, and global awareness by using digital age communication and collaboration tools to interact locally and globally with students, peers, parents, and large communities. I had to do a brief introduction about myself, and that was part of my first initial coursework, and moving on into the course, so I had to develop a PowerPoint presentation. The requirements were based on providing an overview of work experience, job description, and things of that nature. And then I created this PowerPoint presentation, which it talked about 508 and WCAG 2.0, which are very important when it comes to civil rights and federal law mandates in the United States. Also, this was a voiceover, so I had to add voice to this PowerPoint presentation per slide. Okay, it has some criteria in specific, technology neutral, and different levels. These are the different comparing the two, WCAG 2.0 and 508, moving through. Also, how they related to my job, WCAG 2.0 and 508 comparison, where I work at. And this is a clip of our web page and the different things involved with that. Okay, this is another comparison, chart 4. And this is the DODEA-wide comparison from a perspective of how does the federal government and DODEA deal with these two comparisons. All right. And then this is an interview I conducted talking about 504, talking about 508 challenges with MPS, Special Education Coordinator. All right. So this experience was very helpful because I didn't have an understanding of a 508 or understanding of a WCAG 2.0, but this helped me to meet the standard in the course by giving me an understanding of it, how it works, defining it, and how it can be applied to day-to-day work activities.